Introducing the Kizen Waterproof Food Thermometer, an ultra-fast thermometer that takes temperatures in as little as 2 to 3 seconds. Being fully waterproof, washing is a breeze, and with a large and bright LCD screen, it's great for nighttime barbecues. The thermometer has the ability to hold temperatures for easy readings. With the calibration function, accuracy can be ensured. Follow local or international recipes easily by toggling temperatures to Fahrenheit or Celsius. The thermometer features a battery-saving auto-off function after 10 minutes. A retractable probe makes it easy to store, or simply hang it up with a built-in magnet. Cook like a pro every time with the Kizen thermometer.
Alrighty, I just wanted to show you what happens when you pull this thing out, the thermometer part, and when you close it back up, it turns off. After 10 minutes, if you leave it open like this, it goes off. It has a light button in the center, so you can see what's happening. You can change it from Fahrenheit, to centigrade, or back. And then this button right here holds, I don't know if you can see the hold.
Yeah, hold. Okay,
yeah. It holds it at the temperature. It says that it is waterproof, so we're going to test it out. And there it is. We're testing out, and it seems to be working really good. There it is. The battery goes in here. We took the battery out to look, and it's got a very tight seal on this part right here. You just use a screwdriver or a penny or whatever to open that up. Sorry for the water running. But yeah, we love this product. Oh, and it's got a magnet right here. It sticks, well, it doesn't stick to this. Oh, it almost sticks to that. Let's see right here. Yep, there you go. Sticks to there. So, and it comes with an extra battery. So, thanks. Happy barbecuing.